Start with a rectangle in the top view. To avoid using additional operations, round the corners in the sketch with a radius of 10 millimeters. Create the solid with a depth of 15 millimeters. On the top face, draw one circle and make sure it is in the correct position. Draw the rest of the circles concentric to the rounds. To avoid making multiple dimensions, select the 4 circles with Control and select the equal relation. Give it a height of 12 millimeters. To make holes in the cylinders, draw concentric circles on the top face. Define the dimension of one circle and set the equal relation for the rest. Cut all the inside with the Up to Next option. Draw the central cylinder following the same steps. In the front view, draw a ramp whose ends match the central cylinder and the end of the piece. Repeat the same steps to create the ribs in the side view. In this case, the symmetry should be done with respect to the front view. Finale, use the draft operation to tilt the sidewalls by 20 degrees. Great! To practice, Try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck!